Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And today I want to show you a fun little card using one of the Stampin' Up celebration sets. This is a quick, fun little note card. What we are going to be using is, we are going to be using the stamp set. Let me bring this up. The stamp set, The Gang's All Meer, Meerkats. We are going to be using Mossy Meadow, Mary Merlot, and Soft Suede. We are also going to be using a blender pen, and we are going to be using a very vanilla note card. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, with Mossy Meadow, I'm going to stamp in the bottom corners the cacti. And then I've put both of these on the the one that stands up and the one that's digging the hole. I put them on just one. Now you could probably use your Stamparatus, but this is just as easy for this type. There we go. And then with I stamped that with Soft Suede. Then along the top there's this cute little lizard, and the top is so far away we're going to put a little frame on the top. Oops, got that one a little off. And then with Mary Merlot, I'm going to stamp my birthday saying, "Happy birthday to a stand-up friend." And there we go. Now, I just wanted to add a little color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the blender pen, making sure there is nothing on it. I'm going to pick up, first of all, I'm going to pick up some Mossy Meadow. I'm going to do the yeah, Mary got it all over. Just pick up, and if you don't want it as dark, just take a little bit off. And then you want to do a little bit on the lizard. And you don't have to do it all. It's just like watercoloring, you know? Don't have to get it all. Now, you want to take off, because you want to do it until none of it shows up, because now you're going to use the Soft Suede, and you're going to color in those Meerkats. And there you go. Make sure your blender pen is... And for just a little fun, we are going to take the Mossy Meadow, the envelope, and the little lizard guy again. And we are going to stamp our envelope. Okay. There we have it. cute little envelope, card and envelope for simple stamping. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Please, everything is below. If you enjoy my videos, please do your Stampin' Up shopping with me. I would really appreciate it. It helps my small business. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.